We're at the Morimoto studio today for our latest Akins Ford Bronco Apex Edition. Excited about this one. We love Morimoto products. You can tell distinctly from the front, something is different about this Bronco. We have the XRGB LED lights on the front. Now, you see them in amber right now. You know I'm all about being different. These change colors. Obviously, different colors other than amber or white are not legal, but if you're in the parking lot and just want to showcase something really cool, you've got different colors on these headlights for a distinct variation. Also, take a look at the 4-banger LED fog kits. These are amazing. I tested them out last night. They put out a ton of light, and you know, in those dusty conditions, the amber light is the way to go. Coming back to the back, we've got the ditch lights or A-pillar lights. These put out, again, a ton of light, off-road only, y'all, but a great ditch light that can be adjusted for different dispersions of light for the ditch or straight forward. I truly love it. Now, as far as our foundational suspension, we have the Radflow 3-inch coilover lift, front and back. You know, we're all about quality components. Hit the Morimoto products. We're on 37s. This has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder, and you may be saying, real deal, what's up with a 4-cylinder and 37s? Well, I'm here to tell you, we've ran 40s, we've ran 38s, 37s on this motor, no problem whatsoever. We have upper control arms and remote reservoirs with our coilover to go along with it. You know we love our Nitto tires, so we've got the Nitto Trail Grappler in 37, 12.5, 20. We have the KMC. If you know, KMC's have some really great wheels as of late. The Terra in 20x9, zero offset. So that zero offset puts me in that mid-level range as far as mild to wild scale. So this, to me, is a great balance. It's not too tucked in, it's not too wide. Turning radius is still really good. And then also you may be saying, well, what about the mud terrain tire? You got a true mud terrain tire. Well, the Trail Grappler to me is in my top two. It's probably number one, y'all. It's probably number one for mud terrain tires. To me, I run it all the time. It's on my wife's Bronco even. Very quiet to be so aggressive and handles well both on and off road. So Nitto tires, KMC wheels, you can't go wrong with it. Morimoto lights to incorporate it and wrap it up. We have the Go Rhino RB20, the Raptor style running board down the side. To me, especially when you go bigger on the wheel and tire combo, you need some more rocker protection as far as debris and other things on the lower side. Plus, you got a very confident wide platform for entry and exit. Lumar window tint, we have paint protection film also, black on black. You know, I normally like to do a paint match and other components, change bumpers and whatnot, but to me this one's perfect because we have quality added, safer lighting components. We have wheel and tire, lift, and a great combination to make this Apex Edition complete for you. I'm so pumped up being in this studio today. Morimoto is a truly great team with phenomenal products. You gotta come check us out at akinsford.com in Winder, Georgia.